Use 720p for good image quality. IGCSE Malay, Foreign Language 0546-0546-43, MJ, 20th of May, June 2020. Notice: the accuracy of Malay, English and Mandarin translations is not guaranteed. This essay was written by Mr. Sritharan A. L. Arumugam, B.Ed. TESL, Honours Degree University Putra, Malaysia. CEFR C2 Qualification. Certified Language Teacher. Email, srihero@gmail.com. YouTube channel, Melakaexplorer. Please like, subscribe and share all my essay videos with all your friends and family, but let them watch it on YouTube. Please make a generous donation to my CIMB Bank Berhad account, Malaysia, 7027996813 under my name. Thank you. Essay 3. Noise. Essay 140 words. I was surprised and immediately closed the book while looking around. Other students turned to look for the source of the noise. Some whispered questions, some were speechless. Teacher Hanum, who was on duty, quickly asked us to take cover and calm down. He ran towards the sound with a fire extinguisher in hand, ready for any eventuality. Apparently, there was a chemical experiment in the lab that went out of control and caused a small explosion. No one was hurt, but it was enough to cause a ruckus. Teachers and staff quickly made sure the situation was under control and all students were safe. The lab is cleaned before the next session. The school then tightened safety rules in the laboratory. Emergency drills need to be conducted more often to prevent similar incidents from happening again.